My name is Matthew, and I want to know how to bring users to my website.
Hi, Matthew. Well, there are all kinds of tricks you can play with fooling Google into sending people to you or to spending money on advertising. But really the only big way to make a website that's attractive is to make it attractive. You have to have some kind of content that's unique, that's different, that's interesting. I know it's a lot of work, but I'm guessing that your first stab at it just wasn't enough. Get some feedback from people who come to your website, and remember, the #1 rule of marketing is that people just don't care. You have to make them care, and that involves going the extra mile, the extra 10 miles, and sometimes the extra 1,000 miles. Now get to it.